So, ito po ang ano namin, ano? Ano, tawag dito? Starting point. Going to Salt Lake City and Idaho. Ito po ang wishlist ni Beth. Okay. Let's go. Video? Oh, airport na kami. Oh, yan na, oh. Ayan, nakatingin na kami, oh. Video. Yeah. Hindi, mag-picture din tayo. Video. Oh, video. Na lakad namin ito.
Ano ba yung video
to, Brad. Ito, tingnan mo kung maglakad sila first day, ah. First day, yan. Yan ang first day na lakad. Tingnan natin sa Lunes. Kung paano lakad ito. Yan. Ayan, yan lakad niya yan, ha. Yan, first day, yan. Oh, video. First day. Tulog. Sarap naman. Malamig. Minute din. Okay. Station. Monumento. Nakalak siya eh. Yan. Pasok yan, no? Mukhang bago pa to, ah. Ito na po. Geyser. Po ang dating namin. Ito na. Yeah. Ang baho ng amoy. Sakto. Obe, selfie. Dali. Selfie. Asya. talaga. Parang yun nila.
Kaleidoscope sound, chasing night lights in the city.
Good to hear, man. Okay. Very right, yeah.
Every heart wants a brand
Take care,
new
man.
song.
Okay.
Time feels right.
Maybe we're gonna watch here. Okay, perfect. Okay.
Echoes
Okay.
rewind, spin back the dial. Drunk on the charm of this retro style. Fingers snap with the moonlight guide in this city.
Ano? Parachute?
Glass hearts ticket to the
Hindi,
birthday
parachute.
cake. Fog hides truth in a smoky sweep. Moments kissed by the amber haze. Soul-stone stars light their reckless gaze. We're chasing night lights in the city, spinning wild dreams out of pity. Every heart beats a brand new song. Time feels right, the world's not wrong.
Hey guys, nandito kami sa Shasson Falls. Shoshan? Shoshan. Shoshan. Ayan o. Shoshan. Shasson. Shasson Falls. Ayan o, nag-picture nila o. Ayan o. Ayan. Teka lang, babalag ako eh. May lumilipad na ipon pa o. Alin? Sorry. Ito ang diskarte para makakuha ka ng lilim. Lilim tayo para lilim tayo. Yung view. For the High School Musical.
Just 52.
Last video. Oh, nandito po kami ngayon sa ano ha, Bonaville Salt Plant. Kikita nyo naman ha. Iyan oh. So, 2 hours drive from Salt Lake City. City. Yeah. City. Ayan oh. So, all you can see here is salt and mountain. Right? You can see here all salt. Yeah. Maybe we can try to taste the salt later. Okay. And then Arlene will try to drive the van later, okay? Okay.
Sige. Oo. Okay. Okay. 1, 2. Dapat iyan ang gawin yung ano ah. Ayaw ko nga pala.
Ha? Airport, airport.
Hindi ko kaya itaas.